Today I wanted to talk to you about marking. Marking is a huge topic, but I have experience of helping customers in the food industry, in the pharmaceutical industry, machine building, many different areas, aerospace industry as well. So with me today I've got our MK300 laser marker, and it's a fantastic product. Battery powered, so it's portable, can go around a production facility, can be used on large items, on small items, whatever. I'm going to show you just a few key points about it today. So jumping right in, we've got the hand unit here, which has a covered screen for aligning the area for marking. Of course, you can remove this, put it back on before you hit the mark button. We have a little extractor fan which keeps the inside of the shield free of any fumes or dust created by the laser. That's important for protecting the lens, which is in here. And then we have the software, which really makes it so easy to use. So of course you can go in, you can pull an old or a saved file from the memory, then you can import QR codes, you can design QR codes within the software actually. So great for putting your website, a link to your website or a link to anything can be done right here in the software. Import text, logos. You have two USB ports here which can be used for importing DXF files or JPEG files. Then you have the ability to go in and actually change the laser properties, so you can adjust the power. The advantage of doing that, you can get either a deeper etch into the material or a lighter etch. You can adjust the speed, which also affects the color of the mark, whether it's a lighter mark or a darker mark. But having said that, let's jump right into it. So you simply place your marking head over. So this is just a little nameplate I've done. It's got a QR code, 2 bits of text, a little border, super fast, really easy, and I'm going to show you the results right now. So that's finished. Here we have, sorry I didn't use the time to align that properly on the material, but there we go. That is etched into the material. You can really feel it with your fingernail. Now let's see if this QR code works. Just catching the light, there we go. Straight into the Cougartron website. So it really is as easy as that. What can you mark? Well, many things. Here I have a screwdriver. So this is an application for marking up. It's not getting the focus on that. There we go, that's marked up there. You can mark plastics. You can mark your office scissors so that no one steals them. These are mine. So there you go. You can do many different things with this machine. You can mark plastics, you can mark leather, materials, metals, anything that needs to be marked can be marked with this, except glass. But the range of products you can mark with it is huge. Now I've had some interesting discussions with customers ranging from food or pharmaceutical factories where you have the different pipes for transporting product from one area to another. That pipe has to be marked up so that when you do your routine maintenance it gets taken down, but it has an identification number on it so that you can always put it back in the right place. Aircraft. So in an aircraft every part is marked for identification purposes. And then machine builders. If you're building a dishwasher, or commercial dishwashers I should say, you can add a QR code or a barcode to all of those items. Then you can scan each of those items or each of those components as you mount it into the final product. At the end you have a single QR code, you can scan that, you can read about all the items, the production data, date, serial number of all the components used in that final machine. So there's many applications, some small, some big. I've just done these samples here, marking up a screwdriver, something as simple as that. That's important. In some, been to visit a few slaughterhouses, but in a slaughterhouse, you know, each knife has to be registered with a number of the user of that knife, so that if that knife gets lost or is found somewhere else, you can trace it back to who it belonged to. All these applications, there's a huge range of applications, but this machine is the machine which brings it all together into one machine, easy to use, fast, portable. Be free to reach out if you need more help, and I'll be happy to set up a Zoom meeting in this exact same location and show this machine to you.